Welcome everybody, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to show you how you can get content done through make.com, and these are all free ways of getting images for your blogs or social media, and then later on I will show you how you can automate it. Okay, so first of all, these are the things that you need. So what you need is a Google Drive, make.com, it's a free account. I'll show you how you can make it. Then a Hugging Face account, it's again free, and you can have ChatGPT, it's again free, it's optional. So first of all, and these are the steps, it's pretty easy. And first of all, sign up for a free make.com account. So how you can do it, just type in make.com, and here you click on get started for free. So then it will ask you how you would sign up. So you can sign up using your Gmail account, it's pretty easy. So say it's Gmail, and just proceed. So here, since I have made this account and I have tried a few automations, you will see data, and your one would have nothing here. And you can see I have only 352 operations free for this month. That's all right, because I have been trying this for quite some time, and so for a free software for automation, this is really easy. And so that's the first step. Sign up for a free account, then sign up for a free Hugging Face account. So go to Hugging Face. I'll put all the URLs below in the description, so you can again, it's very easy. You can sign up with your Gmail account. So then what you need is go to your Google Drive and create an input file, that's a Google Sheet, and then output folder. So go to your drive, make a new folder, name it as AI automation, and hit create. So double click on that, and then have a Google Sheet here. Create a Google Sheet, name it as whatever you want, AI images for blog. So here you can put as message then what you need to do is, that part is done. So you need to give an input. So basically you're going to say what you need from the AI that we are going to create, what the output is going to be. So this is where you need ChatGPT or any other program to get a couple of prompts. So here you can give it like 5 image prompts, recycle. On recycle, just hit enter. Okay, so let's say you have, this is just as an example, so you can copy it, go back to your so this has created some blank rows, you can get rid of it. Perfect. Now what you have to do is, your file is created, AI images for your blog, and now finally create a scenario. Yeah, so here you need to make another file, new folder, output, so now what you have to do is, you have to go to make.com and go to scenario, create a scenario, create a new scenario. So here, first of all, you need to get this input file. So you have to basically extract this information from your Google Sheets. So I'll show you how to do that. Click on this big plus icon, go to Google Sheets, and then here you search for get a cell. Okay, and then you need to connect your Google Drive, Google Sheets to make.com, and mine is connected, so it's already there. And here, search method, it will ask where you want to get these files extracted from. So from my drive, and click here to choose a file. So I need to search for the file that I did, that's AI automation, and then it will ask where the spreadsheet to get the information. So it's here, AI images for blog, that's what we created. And then it will ask which sheet, so this is sheet number 1, and then the cell. So the cell is basically, that's the first cell, that's A2. So we are going to start from A2. So put A2 and hit OK. So your first scenario is done. So what is this basically going to do is pull all the information from here and bring it to make.com. So what you can do is just you can run it and see if it's working. So it will give you certain information here, and it has picked the first value, so which is the recycle bin in a public. Yeah, so that's the first one. So that's working. So it is creating an output. So now what we have to do is we have to hook this up to a Hugging Face model, which gives us an image output. And right click and add a module, and here we are going to do a HTTP request. Click on that, and here again, so we are going to make a request. We are going to make an HTTPS request. So as you can see, this is already connected. When you connect it, it's automatically get connected. So go to your Hugging Face. Now here, what you need to do is there are a lot of models that you can pick, and it's basically the same way of doing each scenario. It's the same way. So here what we are going to do is, now we can filter it from here, whatever you want, image to text, or there are a lot of models, so you can later on you can test all these things. It's the same way. So here what we are going to use is, we are going to use Flux to generate the images. So there is dev and there is Chanel. So we'll pick Chanel. Sounds good. So here what you need to do is click on your so what you need to do is, first of all, you need to get your API. So how you can get your API is, go to your profile and settings, and here you have access tokens. So I have created 2, so you can take anything and you can just create a new one from here. I'm going to use the existing one. So you just have to copy that and I'll show you how you can use it. So now you go to the model that we are going to use, which is Flux, and here you can view the code. So go to view code and copy this URL, come back to make and paste it here, and you get all the instructions how you can do this. So now basically this is going to be, it should not be Python, it should be curl. So it's the same URL probably, but anyhow I'm going to paste it again. And then it's a post request. We are going to get method is post. It's all mentioned here, and they have given a input. We don't need that. We need it, but not the input that they want us to do. So then you need to the header, which is h. So here add a header, put the header name, it's authorization, and here bearer and your token, API token. Paste this part here, and there is a space, leave that, and come to your Hugging Face token, copy this, come to make.com, paste that there, and then the application is JSON. So what you have to do is body type, it's raw, and content type, it's JSON, and here that's the input. So what you need to, what basically you need the AI to do. So here they have given us the input. So copy this, paste it. Oh, I pasted the wrong thing. Okay, so here you are going to delete this and then put our value here. It will automatically pick it from the Google Sheet that we created, and here it shows the value. Click that and click yes and OK. So now let's run it and see. It's picking the first file, which is recycle bin in the park. So here there's another one is when you complete one task. So this is done, and let's see the output. So output, you can see there is a string of data. So this is your image. Now we need to make it as a image, so it's data. So how you can do this is right click, add another model, and here you are going to hook your Google Drive. And here what we are going to do is we are going to use Google Drive to upload a file. So upload a new file, and then again it will ask for you to connect. Mine is connected, so then it will ask where do you want this to be, whatever that you have connected, where do you want that output to be. So here the folder, you're going to search for the folder area where you want the image to appear from. So new folder location, AI automation, and then output images, and here you're going to say where, and you're going to put map, and then it will ask what you want. Where do you want to pull this data from? So I'm going to say I can pick it from Google Sheet, which is not going to make any sense. So I'm going to pull this data, and you can close this. No, I made a mistake here, sorry. So the name should be, now obviously we need an image. So what you can do is you can make it as, you can put a file name image.png, and then here as data you are going to put the data and hit OK. So now let's go to our folder. You have nothing. Output images, there is another folder. Output images, there is nothing. So under automation there is this file. So now we are going to run our automation from the beginning. Okay, so we have a file. Let's refresh. There you go. It has created an image and it's uploaded to your drive. Quality is fairly good. I mean, there's a flying bottle. That's okay. So then how you can automate this is you can run it every 15 minutes. But now if you run it every 15 minutes, what is going to happen is this is going to pull the same file, which is from A2, and we don't want that. So what we can do is because what we want is basically the AI creating images every 15 minutes or every 10 minutes from this list. So the easiest way to do it is right click, add a model, and here we are going to select delete a row. So basically we are going to tell it the automation to, once you are done with a file, that you are going to delete a row. So select that and it will ask where is the file. So like the first automation that we created with the Google Sheets, you're going to search where you have this file. It's under AI automation, and here AI images for the blog, and again it will ask where the sheet, it's sheet 1 and the row number. So what you're going to do is, again you're going to delete the second row. That's what you're going to do. So let's put 2 and hit OK, and let's run it again. Okay. You can get rid of that. So now it has created the first image, and let's see, it got rid of 1. So if you make it every 10 minutes, or let's say every minute, okay, you can't make it as 1 minute, so 15 minutes. So you understand how it's going to happen. Let's create another one, thinking that we have set it to 15 minutes and this is running every 15 minutes. So really, technically it should take the second row and create a file image and put it in Drive. So as you can see, there's another one, and you run it again. It should get rid of this row, and it created a file. It got rid of the row also. So yeah, that's a weird picture, but That's how you do simple automation. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until next time.